Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. This here's Jake. I'm Robbie. We've got a real special one for you today. What are we doing today, Jake?
Today we're making a Cranberry Colada. So a twist on your typical Pina Colada, yeah?
Nice. All right, so to do this, you're gonna need a blender, and you're gonna need ice and all the other things that we're about to talk about. We're gonna start off by putting some ice into our blender here. I've got approximately 24 ounces of ice. The next step is to add 2 cups of cranberry juice. All right, now that we've got our cranberry juice in there, we are going to put in some cream of coconut. And we're using a 1/4 cup for this.
Approximately.
That's it. Next up, we're gonna do 8 ounces of pineapple.
Okay, so 8 ounces or 1 can.
All right, and to kind of just make this a little bit fancier, we're gonna add 1 orange to this drink. So I'm gonna cut this up.
The juice of 1 orange.
Watch your eyes. It's good to learn it before hanging out with me, that's for sure.
Watch me and I.
All right, we got our orange.
Alright, juice of 1 orange.
Now, if you're making this for the family, you can stop here. But since we're making it for us, we're gonna put some rum in it. It's kind of important to put rum in Pina Colada, right?
Yeah, especially when you're making it with us.
So for this, we're using 2 rums today. We're gonna start off with our silver rum. You'll grab that and give me 4 ounces.
4 ounces of silver rum.
And we're gonna do 4 ounces of coconut rum. All right, everything's in the pot. Time to blend it. So,
Alrighty.
put the lid on here, and then I'm gonna do this thing. There you have it, folks. We've got a Cranberry Colada. Hopefully pour this into this cup.
Alrighty, let's do it.
That's fantastic. I'm gonna garnish that with a couple cranberries.
Fancy.
All right, that's our Cranberry Colada.
Alrighty.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Fantastic. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The recipe will be in the description below. Also, check out our social media, Facebook and Instagram. Our Muddy River Mixology channel does a new video every Monday, so you can check that out. Also, our Why Wednesday. We are top 10 craft rum distilleries in the country right now, so that's super cool. Check us out in your local liquor store. Come out here on Saturdays for a tour. Cheers, and thanks for watching.
Are you using this for something?
Yeah, measuring the cranberry juice. Jackass. And
On my shirt today.
Cranberry Colada. Where's our recipe card? I can't even read his scribble already. And his marker.
And it's 2 cups of
his marker bled through on the 14 pages.
cranberry juice. And
You're good at that.
I don't even think turkeys is just to like open the window and go, woo, and they all go, woo.
And then you just sit there on the porch and be like, it's turkey day. One.
Uh-oh. But I cannot be stopped. 1, 2, 3,
And then just hold that.
I have heard that 5 out of 4 people are bad with fractions.
4 out of
He
5.
was one of those.
Yay! You're bad at fractions.
No, you're bad at that.
Everybody.
Yeah. Did you hear us sing that?
That's my hobby. Huh? Yeah, I'm still in the same room as you. I'm
Alright, what's the better thing to do?
so much editing.